All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be a recap here for this Monday, August 21st, 2023. Man, just a really slow day. Now, I didn't do any indices today, and as I mentioned last week, was probably going to stay away from gold, and I did. So I'm probably not going to be trading any gold this week unless something happens. Probably not going to be trading any crude oil, natural gas, silver. I'm going to stay away from all those. Continue to watch the indices. I did have some setups later in the day, but I did not take them. So I didn't have anything on the indices. I like to catch them in the morning. But I did trade three stocks. One was a carryover from Friday, which was UP. Here is that trade. Gosh, I was just loving it when it opened up like this. And you have this nice little spike. Very thin, though. So the problem was, why didn't I get out when I saw this big move up? Is because the spread was too big. And then after the opening, then of course it collapsed. We did see more volume coming in. I went ahead and I exited right here. So I made a very small profit on UP. Let's take a look at the other two stocks that I traded. All right, TMBR, unfortunately, no go on TMBR. Nice little HF3 buy came in about 30 minutes before the opening. Prior to the opening, this is the 9:30 Eastern Time open. You can see what happened is I had a fairly tight stop, exited and got out of my trade, and look what happened right after the opening. Hit all three targets. Hit target number 3, and then it reversed. So it is what it is. You've heard me say many times, I really like to hold on to the trade after the opening, get that little burst. Well, that happened, but unfortunately, in this particular case, I wasn't really liking TMBR, and that's why I went ahead and I tightened up my stop and got out. So it is what it is. And then I had one other here. Let's take a look at that. All right, JXJT again, just, ended up getting in on a parent pattern buy, and then it just went. You see these individual prints here? I mean, it just dried up. I do not like to see this. This is not good activity. And then we finally started picking up. I did get out. I did make a small profit, but I was not going to hold on to a JXJT. And I only made 3 trades today, folks. I did not put anything else on. I didn't do anything later in the afternoon. Didn't do anything during power hour. So I only had 3 trades overall. So overall, red day, but not too bad. A little bit on JXJT, as you can see. A little bit on up. That was a carryover from Friday. And of course, TMBR is when I got hurt. Put me red for the day. But overall, not a super bad day. But I just couldn't get anything moving today. So the last few days, as you know, it's been tough. Last 2 days for me have been red days. And so usually when that happens, it means that we're getting ready. The markets are getting ready to move. All right. So when the market gets choppy, it's always an unknown when. But the big day's coming. I can promise you that. There's a big move coming. Now, I think we're going into a holiday. Aren't we going into a holiday next week? So that would make sense. We're probably going to see some pretty good activity now between now and Thursday. So let's wait for it. We'll jump on board and turn this into a green week. So anyway, start off the week red is what it is. So make sure you join us in the morning. We'll keep an eye on our watch list. We'll see if we catch any nice movers. Didn't have a whole lot of stuff moving this morning. That just kind of followed through the whole day. So maybe that'll be different in the morning. So please join us. We do start every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. First 30 minutes is open to everybody. And then I move over to our Discord, where I continue to trade live with our Discord members. So please join us, and we'll see if we can't catch some nice trades tomorrow. Okay, y'all have a good day.